Did you know that 70% of small businesses fail due to poor financial management, with 60% of those failures attributed to inadequate budgeting? It's alarming, especially considering how easy it is to track your finances and stay on top of your budget. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build a comprehensive budget tracker in Excel using our free template. To start, you'll need a basic understanding of Excel formulas. So let's cover a quick refresher. A formula in Excel is a calculation that returns a value. For example, the formula equals A1 plus B1 adds the values in cells A1 and B1. You can use this basic formula to create more complex calculations by combining multiple formulas and cell references. Now, let's dive into building our budget tracker template. First, create a new Excel spreadsheet and set up your sheet structure. We'll need separate sheets for income, expenses, and a dashboard. In our income sheet, we'll track all sources of